we have completed the week 5 of this course, and in this week we have talked about part of calculus, that is interpolation and numerical differentiation. One of the key points I want to emphasize here that interpolation is completely different from regression, although in your textbook they have been treated as if they are sort of similar thing, but they are not so. We'll come to regression later on. That is a completely different thing, completely different philosophy, and we will talk more about it later. For your assignment, you have only very simple calculation in interpolation and differentiation. It should be trivial and you should be able to finish it very quickly. Primary point what we have learned here is that the usual calculus that you have studied in your high school as well as maybe in your college first year, second year courses, they deal with continuous function, or at least piecewise continuous function. So at certain point there may be discontinuity, but mostly continuous function. However, in numerical methods, we do not have the idea of continuous function at all. In fact, we only think that we have are discrete data sets. So the point is that how do we actually use the theory of calculus with numerical method, and that is where the idea of interpolation comes. So you have to look at interpolation from that perspective. So we have done interpolation right now, means we have taken the first step in numerical calculus. Interpolation gives a bridge between the discrete data and continuous function. Now we have to use this bridge and we have to see that how far we can go with such concepts. In upcoming weeks, we will talk about integrations and differential equations, both ordinary as well as partial differential equations. Concept that you have learned this week, such as interpolation as well as numerical differentiation, will be absolutely central in understanding the integration as well as ordinary partial differential equations. So that is why my suggestion will be that you finish the assignment quickly so that the later parts such as integration and differential equation you can understand very easily. So that's all for this lecture. Thank you. Happy learning.